how many times did Megumi Fushiguro try to summon Mahoraga? If Gojo hadn't shown up, Yuji would have died in episode 1. When Yuji swallowed Sukuna's finger for the first time, his body was immediately taken over. Megumi quickly realized something was wrong with Yuji and instantly raised his hand to form the hand sign for summoning Mahoraga. If Gojo hadn't arrived in time, Megumi's first Mahoraga summon might have actually happened right there. The second attempt came during the fearsome womb arc. After Yuji was knocked unconscious while fighting the special grade cursed womb, Sukuna took control of his body. After defeating the cursed spirit, Sukuna noticed that Yuji still hadn't woken up. So he ripped out Yuji's heart and challenged Megumi to a fight. The moment Megumi realized he couldn't win, he immediately raised his hand and prepared to summon Mahoraga. Fortunately, Yuji regained control of his body before that could happen. The third attempt happened when Hanami invaded Jujutsu High. After being pushed into a corner, Megumi was just about to summon Mahoraga when Toge Inumaki stopped him. Later, while fighting Hanami alongside Maki, Megumi saw that Maki was about to die, so he once again prepared to summon Mahoraga. Luckily, Maki stopped him, and Yuji and Todo arrived just in time. This was Megumi's fourth attempt. The fifth attempt occurred during the Yasuhachi Bridge incident. Megumi encountered a special grade cursed spirit that had absorbed one of Sukuna's fingers. At that moment, he remembered something Gojo had once told him, and immediately considered summoning Mahoraga. The strange surge of cursed energy was so intense that it even frightened the special grade spirit. But in the end, Megumi gave up on summoning Mahoraga and instead awakened his incomplete domain expansion. The sixth attempt happened during the Shibuya incident. After being summoned, Toji immediately treated Megumi as an enemy. Toji's overwhelming strength made Megumi realize the massive gap between them. Just as he was about to summon Mahoraga, Toji recognized Megumi and took his own life. However, the heavily injured Megumi didn't get very far. He was soon discovered by Haruta. With no strength left to continue fighting, Megumi finally summoned Mahoraga. This was the only time he successfully completed the summoning. But immediately after Mahoraga appeared, Megumi was sent flying. So in total, Megumi attempted to summon Mahoraga 7 times. If Sukuna hadn't arrived in time, Megumi probably would have died right then and there.